If you clicked onto this video because you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products that can make you thousands of dollars every single week. And because I know time is precious, I wanted to show you a strategy that you can start that's only going to take you 30 minutes to 1 hour every single day to get some insane results. I also know that most of you are beginners and you're looking to make your first dollar online, which is why with this strategy, you don't need to have any following, you don't need to have a website, and you can start this absolutely for free. And I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do all this step by step. On top of that, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that I'm personally doing right now that's making me well over $1,000 a day, and I can't wait to show it to you. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the first step when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing is going out there and getting yourself an offer. But what we want to do is we want to promote high ticket affiliate marketing products. So what we want to do is we want to come over to a platform like ClickBank.com. You can go to any platform where you can get products that are paying over, say, $300, $400, $500